is coming. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Color is gone. That was magic. Do you want swim just like me? Let's start making. We need crayons. We need white paper, colorful craft papers. We need transparent sheet. Transparent sheet. Scale. Child-friendly scissors. Pencil. Marker and Fevicol. Sequin craft paper. Fold it properly. Fold it properly. Again fold it. Put it like that. Back side. Mark 1 centimeter. Make rectangle. And cut it properly. Make frame like that. Take white paper and fold like that. Use a Fevicol. Put here so it will make like that. Take one white paper and draw your favorite picture and color it. Make beautiful picture with crayon. One transparent paper, put on here. One transparent sheet, put here. Use dry markers, border. Make border. Magic is happened. Color is gone. I'll show some greetings. This greeting for my friend Sachu. Sachu, Pihu, besties. I made this greeting for my teachers and school friends. Last day of school. Last day of school. I sing a poem. Pen is thinny. Eraser flat. Glue is empty. Folder fat. Crayon broken. Memory forever. Year complete. Teacher, I will out of here. I miss my teacher, Reena ma'am and Rashmi ma'am. I miss my friends. This greeting for my coolest dad. I made that shirt. I love you, Daddy. Glasses and pen for you, Dad. My coolest dad. the best grandparents in the world. My precious grandpa and grandma, may happiness, good health, peace of mind. Last greeting. This is my favorite greeting. Mom and Mayra. Right, it's Mom and Mayra. Work together. This is our channel name. Like, share and subscribe our channel. You can search our YouTube, Mom and Mayra. We are together. Do you like this greetings? Listening greetings. Make this greeting at your home for your friends, parents, and grandparents, teachers. Don't go outside. It's Corona. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Thank you for watching. And remember, if you're happy,